So when would you get a bridging loan? When you need it. When do you need a bridging loan? Well, you need a bridging loan when there's a question of mortgageability or speed, or simply you don't have the money yourself. And typically it's going to be mortgageability or speed, because although you could use a bridging loan for position C. So mortgageability, if it can't be lived in, you're not going to get a mortgage on it. So if you're buying an old wreck and that's got an amazing deal in it, and you just can't get the mortgage for it, you're going to use a bridging loan to do it up, to then put it to a position that you're either going to sell it or you're going to get a mortgage on it. Speed. Some bridging loans are built for auctions, so bridging loans can be really fast, but not all bridging loans are built for auctions, so you've got to check that you're getting the right bridging loan. Or C, affordability. I don't have the money for this, and I'm going to take a bridging loan, and what I want to do is I want to refinance it and pull all my cash out after 6 months.